we had an interruption. So for the first time ever, it would appear that my 458 is broken.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
Yeah, it's idling super high and then like revving on its own. So I just pulled the battery. And so we're just kind of letting the computers reset. But I did that up once already, and it just like, it revved all the way to like 7,000 or 8,000 on its own. Like me not touching the gas pedal. So I just had to turn off the engine. So yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Only thing I can think of is maybe a dirty MAF, but that seems like crazy. This is not like typical dirty MAF stuff. Something's really messed up. It's almost like the throttle bodies are sticking open. I'm just gonna let it idle, we'll see. So I'm not gonna touch the gas once I start it. Alright, check out this crazy stuff. So I got my foot on the brake, right? I'm just gonna keep my foot on the brake. I put in gear, it immediately goes down to almost nothing, but you can hear it. It's like the car's trying to roll on me. Maybe we can drive it home.
Think so?
Maybe.
Well, if not, you just pull this, turn it off, because that's doing that weird shit.
Yeah. Let's try and drive it home.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Alright, so we got it home, but it's still behaving really weird and wonky. I think I'm going to clean the MAFs while I'm waiting for Josh to get a hold of me, because I really don't know what the hell's going on. Alright, got the intake off. The throttle bodies aren't too bad. I mean, they're dirty, so we're going to clean those up. I have some throttle body cleaner. Probably have to unscrew those from the engine, clean those, because you don't want to blow that crap in the engine. The MAFs aren't too bad, but there is a chunk of debris in that one, so that could be affecting it, but I don't think enough to make it do this. Something else is going on, but we'll clean those up. Alright, here's the MAFs. We're just gonna clean them with some MAF cleaner. Make sure you use mass airflow cleaner. You can't use like brake cleaner or other stuff. It will damage these. It has to be mass airflow cleaner. So that is a lesson you don't want to learn the hard way, because those are very, very expensive.
Got lucky that Steve out in San Diego had one finished this.
Oh. Take an eye out with that thing.
Disconnect that too. He had every connector is like a new lesson.
They're the bane of my existence.
Alright, let me get some.
This one looks like you might have to pry it out.
You know what? I'm gonna get glasses. Because it's gonna spray back. Alright, we gotta go to the parts store, get new clamps. Alright, Loper, show me the goodness.
Let's do it!
Go Dillos!
Dillos!
mellower than mine.
Yeah.
It's not quite as like punch in the face,
Yeah.
but it's really refined. It sounds very F1-y. It's good. I love it. We're gonna go left. So idling,
Yeah, it doesn't seem as annoying as it was before.
it's a little bit
Less drony, less drony.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Alrighty, we got the MAF and the throttle body cleaned up. I don't think it's gonna fix it. I'm gonna start it up, and I'm also gonna record the sensor readings so that we can see. We actually recorded the sensors on Loper's car before he had to go, so we can kind of compare them and see if mine's getting any wonky readings. So we'll give it a shot. So I got my my launch, which this is another reason why you should get one of these, because you can read the data stream in real time. So you can see, like right now it's off, so like the mass errors are reading at 0. So we're gonna fire it up and see if it idles properly. So, all right. Oh, it's like not available, not available. All right, well, we'll fire it up. Oh, it's gonna refresh in a second, I think. It also has like a graphical, so seems to be happy. I'm gonna give it a quick tap of the gas. Comes right back to idle. I think we maybe fixed it. It's totally possible that it was just the MAF got some dirt on it.
Possible.
I mean, it takes so little dirt to cause those to work wonky.
Yeah.
All right, I'm happy with that. It wasn't blipping before, it was just like already on the throttle. Like just imagine that you're and it wasn't doing the pops and bangs. Imagine if you had both feet on both pedals. That's what it felt like. You know, it just constantly felt like you're fighting the accelerator. Wow. What a relief. Something so simple and stupid. Well, kiddies, don't forget to clean your MAFs occasionally. And probably your throttle bodies too. I don't know, I'm assuming it was the MAF, not the throttle body. That was just an extra layer of like, hey, as long as we're in there, let's clean shit up. But the MAF, again, use MAF cleaner. Don't use anything but MAF cleaner on the MAF. You will destroy your MAF, and they're very expensive. You don't want to do that, especially in a Ferrari. So, all right, well, I don't know exactly what caused it to get suddenly dirty, because it was like working a week ago and then all of a sudden it stopped working. It wasn't like a slow progression. It was like a, you know, so I have to assume some particulate matter got lodged onto the MAF somehow at some point, and the MAF was unhappy and reading weird sensing, you know, weird data, giving the computer weird data that basically said, keep giving more gas, keep giving more gas. So, okay. All right, well, it's back in business. So again, keep your MAFs clean. I mean, I've got a lot of miles, so, you know, it's probably a good idea to do it every, I'm gonna say 10, 20,000 miles. I've got 40,000 on it, and I'm sure it's never been done. So yeah, I mean, there's gonna be some dirt in there, and there was a decent amount of dirt in the throttle body assembly and stuff. It's a good idea to do that once in a while. And of course, Loper's exhaust, if you didn't see that video, that was pretty epic too. Seeing his new exhaust is crazy. Loper, you are insane. By the way, don't forget, the IP exhausts are available on my website, normalguysofthecar.com. Amazon.com. You can go check those out and buy them from me. And also Josh can install them for you. So there you go. We can get you all taken care of. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad this thing wasn't a more serious problem. Whew. I was a little worried there for a while. I was like, why are you idling at 7,000 RPMs? This isn't normal. We'll see you guys soon. It's gonna be sweet.